What's up everyone, and welcome back to another video and tutorial. Today we're going to see how to export passwords from 1Password. All you need to do is launch 1Password software on your PC. Log into your account, then click the three dots in the top left corner. Select Export, then choose your account. Now enter your account password when prompted, then select CSV. Then click Export Data. Now choose where to save the file, then click Save. It's important to remember this location. You'll need it later for importing elsewhere. Now 1Password will show a confirmation message. Just click Show File if you want to open its location. The CSV file is not encrypted and anyone with access can read your passwords. And that's it guys, as simple as that, and that's how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.